Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into surrogate. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Deputy. Which means a person who is appointed to undertake the duties of a superior in the superior's absence. Deputy. For example, his deputy has been largely running the business for the past year. Number 2. Understudy. Which means in the theatre a person who learns another's role in order to be able to act at short notice in their absence. Understudy. For example, he muffed his lines and was often replaced by an understudy. Number 3. Substitute. Which means a person or thing acting or serving in place of another. Substitute. For example, the casual workers might be substitutes for agency workers. Number 4. Relief. Which means a person or group of people replacing others who have been on duty. Relief. For example, his relief arrived to take over. Number 5. Proxy. Which means the authority to represent someone else, especially in voting. Proxy. For example, any member is entitled to appoint another person as his proxy to attend and vote instead of him. Number 6. Representative. Which means a person chosen or appointed to act or speak for another or others. Representative. For example, a representative of the Royal Pharmaceutical Society. Number 7. Agent. Which means a person who acts on behalf of another person or group. Agent. For example, in the event of illness, a durable power of attorney enabled her nephew to act as her agent. Number 8. Replacement. Which means a person or thing that takes the place of another. Replacement. For example, the nanny was taken ill and we had barely a week to find a replacement. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.